This garage is not an ordinary place. It feels like time has stopped here. The walls are lined with old tools. The floor is stained with years of oil and dust, and the air carries the heavy smell of rust and neglect. And in the middle of this silence stands an MR car, untouched for years, forgotten by everyone, covered in thick layers of dust, its true color hidden beneath dirt, flat tires resting on the cold floor, and an engine that has not made a sound in a very long time. Yet even in this silence, this car holds a story waiting to be told. As we slowly move closer, every detail becomes clearer. Rust creeping along the edges of the doors, a cracked bumper hanging loosely. Headlights faded and yellowed as if they have not seen sunlight in ages. Scratches on the hood that hint at a past life full of movement and roads once traveled. This car was once driven with pride, once admired, once alive. But today it stands alone in the corner of a garage, waiting for someone to give it another chance. This is where the real restoration journey begins. Because we are not just looking at a machine, we are looking at a legacy. We walk around the car carefully, inspecting it from every angle, capturing every flaw on camera, because these imperfections will later become proof of transformation. We know this will not be easy. It will take time, patience, and dedication, but that is exactly what turns a simple restoration into an emotional story. The garage door slowly opens, daylight pours in, and for the first time in years, the MR car is exposed to natural light. Dust particles float in the air, making the moment feel almost cinematic. We gently begin washing the car, water flowing over the body as years of dirt start to disappear. The original paint slowly reveals itself, but so does the harsh reality of rust and damage. There is no hiding the truth. This car needs serious work. Next, we lift the hood, and the sight of the engine tells its own story. Old wiring hardened with age, bolts frozen in place, layers of dried oil covering every surface. This engine has been asleep for a long time. This is the moment where many would give up, but not us. Because restoration is about believing in what others consider impossible, we carefully document everything, every broken part, every worn-out component, knowing that this is only the beginning. This MR car may look lifeless now, but beneath the rust and dust, there is still a soul waiting to be awakened. And this garage, once silent and forgotten, is about to witness a complete